Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change password on Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, at the bottom you're gonna find options like Home, Respins, Send, Rewards and Manage. Tap on Manage, then you're gonna have to go to Profile under Account Details. Once you tap on Profile, under Profile Information, you're gonna see options like Name, Address, Phone Number, Email Address and Password. Tap on Edit right beside Password. Now go ahead and type in your current password, then create a new password. Make sure it has at least 8 characters. Once you do that, tap on Save, then your password on Remitly will be changed. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your password on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.